welcome to today's International Talents Academy dance lesson. Today we're going to be doing a special dance that's very easy, and we're going to bring a friend along. Today I have Mr. Bear with me, so I want you to go grab your favorite toy, anyone, either a bear or a lion or a cat, any animal you would like, okay? So this dance is going to be with our favorite animals because our dance is from The Lion King. Okay, let's get started. So do you have your animal? Okay, ready? Our very first step is we're going to bring our animal all the way up and back down. So what we're going to do, we're going to start at the very back, and you're going to step 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down. Again, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, down. So you bring your stuffed animal all the way up, make sure you bring it above your head so you can see your face, and down. And make sure you do 3 steps. And together, 3, 2, 3, together. So start with this foot, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, bring it together, and 1, 2, 3, bring it together. Awesome. Let's do it one more time together. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, together, 1, 2, 3, together. Again, 1, 2, 3, together, 1, 2, 3, together. Our next step is a 3-step turn. So it's going to look like this. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So let's go over it very slowly. Let's do the feet first. If you want, you can put your stuffed animal to the side while we learn this. So we're going to start with our feet. You're going to start with your left foot. You're going to step, and then see this shoulder, you're going to bring it around, and then push back the shoulder, and together. And go back, push the shoulder over, 3, together. So you're still going one way the whole time. So I'm going this way, never stopping. I don't have to go different directions. And then back. Awesome, one more time, and 1, 2, 3, together, 1, 2, 3, together. Okay, let's try with our stuffed animal. So you're going to have it right in front of you, and we're going to go and step, around, step, and you're going to bring it down all the way here, or you can even put your foot out like this, and step, 2, 3, and bring it down again. Now we're going to do it again, step, 2, 3, and this time you're going to bring your stuffed animal all the way up, and step, 2, 3, up. Let's do it all together, starting from the very beginning, from our steps. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 3, step, turn, and 3, step, turn. And now up, 2, 3, bring it up, bring it up. And from here, you're going to go, and 1, 2, 3, together. So make it like a little zigzag, like you're painting with your bear, or any animal you have. Okay? So let's do it one more time. We're here, and we go 1, 2, 3, and you're going to make a big circle all the way, and bring it to you. Awesome. Let's do it one more time, starting from, so we just did our 3-step turns. And we're here, put your arms up, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring a big circle together. Very nice. Our next movement is going to be like this. So it's very simple. So we're going to go this side, so to your right side, and forward, around, and then you're going to do a little toss up and down. Make sure you catch your stuffed animal and it doesn't fall to the ground. One more time. So we go right, forward, left, and toss. And then after the toss, we kind of go, and 1, 2. Here, I want you to turn your bear around to you, or the animal you have. So we have 1, 2, quickly turn it around, because our next movement, we're going to have to be looking at our stuffed animal. So we're going to do what's called a vine. So look at down my feet. So we're going to go 1, cross behind, and out, together, and cross, behind, cross, together. You can let your stuffed animal rest for a little bit while we work on this. So we're going to go step, and behind, step, together, and step, behind, step, together. Let me do it facing you. So you have step, bring your foot behind, step, together, and step, behind, step, together. Awesome job. So what we're going to do with our animal, let's go grab it. Right here, have it in front of you, facing you. So we're going to go make a small circle and bring it up. Make a small circle, bring it up. Just arms. Circle and out, and circle and out. And when you bring your arms out, look at your stuffed animal as it's looking at you. Okay? So let's do it with our legs. So we have our vine, and then we have our circle with our arms. We're going to go super slow. Ready? So we have step, behind, step, and look, step, behind, step, and look, step, behind, step, look, step, behind, step, and look. And from here you're going to go and 1, and 2, 3, 4. Being very, very gentle with your stuffed animal. Okay, let's do it one more time, starting from our circles and looking, and then going here. Ready? So we start, and go step, 2, 3, look, step, 2, 3, look, step, 2, 3, look, and step, 2, 3, look, and 1, 2, 3, look at your stuffed animal, 4, and from here you're going to turn around this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, other way, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a small toss, and pose. So any pose you would like to do, go ahead and do it. You can either bring your arms out to the front, or bring them up, or anything you want. Be as creative as possible. Okay, let's do the dance one more time, and then we're going to do it with the music from Lion King. Ready? So starting feet together, and we're going to step forward, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3-step turn, and down, bring it up, and bring it up, and from here we have zigzag, and all the way up, and 1, 2, 3, and little toss, and 1, 2, 3, and turn it around. We have circle, and look, circle, step back, and look, one more time, and back the other way. And we look, 2, 3, 4, and make a circle, and other way. And very last one, we toss and pose. So any pose you'd like. Okay, are you ready to do it with the music? Because I am. Let's get started. Here we go. I'm sure you've heard this song before. And if you know the words, sing along. Get ready. Feet together. 1, 2, 3, together. Again, bring it up. And down. 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, down. And down. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 2, 3, 4, circle. And 1, 2, 3, and toss it up. Turn it around. And circle. 1. Don't forget the vine walk. And look. 2, 3, 4, and turn around. Other way. And toss and pose. Awesome job. I hope you guys had a wonderful time learning this, just like I did. And I really want to see you guys do it with me. So go ahead and record yourself and submit it to the International Talent Academy Facebook page. Hope you have a great day. See you later.